Hello my dear viewers and welcome to a new video here on my YouTube channel. Today is Thursday, the 11th of August. I'm here in Hamburg, North Germany. Here I am at the harbor at the moment. It's a beautiful weather, blue sky. It's getting very hot today. I'm on the way to the city. I want to buy some shoes for my wife and my daughter, because on La Palma you can get everything you need. Sometimes it's a small island, but here in the big city you will find a lot of things. So today I'm again on a mission, and I will walk to the city so I can explore everything. I see everything. So most of the time, if it is possible, I'm walking around. So this is what I like most and where I can see the most. Very quiet here this morning at the harbor. Not many people are there. The city is still awakening here. So this part of the city is different than the part I'm staying. I stay in St. Pauli, so there are a lot of bars and restaurants, but on the other hand a lot of graffiti on the walls. It's a little bit dirty on the streets. Here it's different, it's clean, and you can see the different houses. Here the river in the middle of the city, but the prices are higher, much higher here. For a coffee you pay here €1 more than in St. Pauli. Beautiful little garden in the middle of the city. on the way to the Japanese garden, and I will have lunch first here in a restaurant. I will eat some sushi. So this is Hamburg and I finished the video now. I say thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the very best. If you ever have the chance to come to Hamburg, just do it. It's beautiful over there, especially in summer. So many people on the streets. Okay, so I will eat a hot broth now here in the Vietnamese restaurant, and then I will go home. And yeah, that was the last day here in Hamburg. See you in the next video when I'm on the way to Schwerin. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.